Hey, good afternoon, everybody. I'm meteorologist Jesse Hawila. Pretty widespread rain across the Metroplex, but it's light to moderate. All of the heaviest rain has kind of pushed east of the area. You can see some of those thunderstorms now pushing into Hunt County. And for the Metroplex, though, again, light to moderate rain. Still have the flash flood warning for some reason for parts of Tarrant and Denton counties, Dallas and Collin counties. No reports of flash flooding. Some rain has fallen, of course, and there have been some good totals of rain for sure. And this is just one of the batches of rain that's starting to kind of lift to the north. Another batch of very heavy rain just to the west of the Metroplex. That's building. That'll move in later this afternoon into the evening. As we've said, the severe risk remains extremely low. But, once the heavy rain starts to move into parts of North Texas, farther into the Metroplex especially, I wouldn't be surprised if there's another flash flood warning or two issued because of the rain that's fallen already today and the additional rain that's coming later this afternoon. So here's a look at timecast. Scattered rain, some thunderstorms throughout the afternoon, and then it becomes more widespread later this evening. So right now the Metroplex is under a widespread batch of rain. Once that lifts out, we'll get a couple of hours where it's hit and miss. Then it's widespread again late afternoon into the evening. There's 7 p.m. Fairly widespread shower and thunderstorm activity. Again, the very, very low severe risk in place. But as we get, especially the leading edge of this, there may be a gusty wind or two from Athens up to Canton at 7 p.m. That's all lifting east of the Metroplex by 9. What's left behind? The cold front. So that cold front will move through, and that's going to bring maybe an additional sprinkle or two. That's all. A lot of this rain is out of here by about 9 o'clock tonight. So the overnight's quiet. Tomorrow morning is quiet. There may be a stray shower or two overnight down towards central Texas, down toward Waco and Mejia and Palestine. But Friday morning, a lot of sunshine, a couple clouds here or there. It ends up being a really nice day. So the rainfall coverage for the rest of the day. We had that widespread rain this morning. This afternoon, about 40 to up to 90% coverage through the evening, and then back down Thursday overnight. So we are going to get a break later tonight. So there it is. Again, flash flood warning still in effect for some reason. Tarrant, Dallas, Denton, and Collin counties. The rain pretty light at this point, but there is more rain moving in to the west. You see west of the Metroplex, fairly widespread showers, a couple thunderstorms from Decatur down to Mineral Wells, the heaviest rain down into central Texas. That's where they have the flash flood warnings from Brownwood and then farther to the southwest. That batch of rain moves in later this evening. So remember, the drive home, we've talked about this. The morning commute likely was not going to be ideal, and it wasn't. The drive home tonight, the same thing. Very low risk of severe weather, but periods of heavy rain expected as we go through late afternoon into the evening. That's the latest update here on WFAA Plus. We'll see you later.